Good morning, everyone. My name is Michael Vincent Birendado. So today I'm going to explain my interactive code that I made. So first, I'm going to put doctype HTML to run our HTML file, then put the title. But first, I need to link the style so that I can connect it to my CSS. Next, I'm going to put a title. It's my own title that I have put in mind, which is basic interactive quiz game. And then next, going to our body, I'm going to put div a quiz container so that this this contains the choices. I'm going to div the ID of the questions, the choices, the result, the score, and lastly the bot. I can use this ID later in our script. And then next, to link this to our script, and I will put this go onto our script. I put a array containing the quiz, questions, choices, and the correct answer, which is this questions. What is the capital of Philippines? Choices. I just put three questions and then put three answers and correct answers, which is Cebu, Manila, Aligan. This is the questions. Then next, I will put to track the state of the quiz. I will put var correct current question index 0, var score 0. Then here I will make a variable to contain the ID of this ID, which is questions element document that get element by ID. So this ID, there is questions. Next is the var choices element document get element by choices, which is this. The next is the to get the result element. I will get the var. I'll make a var variable that name result element. Then document that get element by ID and result. So this and so on in this button. And next, to function to display the current question and its choices, I will make this function display questions. Then to get the current question from the array, I will make the variable current questions, then quiz questions, which is this, and then the current questions. Next is to update the questions in the HTML. I will get the questions element in our HTML, then the current questions. And to clear the previous choices, will I will make choices element that inner HTML. Then to loop through the choices and to create buttons for each choices, I will make a for loop which contain the var I and 0 I less than current question choices length. And to loop this, I will plus, and to var choices, I will put this current questions choices, then the button and its choice. Next is to add an on-click button, which a button set attribute on click, check answer, and the choices. And to append the button to the choices container, I will make this choices element append child button. Then next is to clear the previous result. I will make a result element again into inner HTML. And to hide the next question, I will put a next button that style that display. I put it to none. And to function to check if the selected answer is correct, I will make a function to check an answer, which is check answer. It is selected choices. Then var current questions, quiz questions, and a current question index. And compared to selected answer, with the correct answer, I will select choice the current answer, and if the result, and it will result correct if it's the answer, and it will turn green. And else, if it is not the answer, it will, I made this to incorrect, and so in the correct questions, and to update the score in the HTML, I will score element that inner HTML that score plus the score. And then to show the next question, I will put the next button that style and display that inline. And this is the function to move to the next question or the end the quiz. Function, I will put function, a function here that next question and a current question index. And if we want to end, we will put current question less than display questions. Here is to end the quiz or end quiz. To display the final score, if you click end quiz, it will display the quiz. It will display quiz completed, and the next is to clear choices, and here is to clear result message. In here is to display the final score, which is the score element at inner HTML final score. We put the score here, and the quizlet. In here is to hide the next button after the quiz end. Here is to start the quiz by displaying the first question. Thank you.